And we got the bad boy. What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Glad y'all are tuning into the Rogue Vet here. So again, in the title, like you can see, it is Social Sundays monthly meet for the month of September. I went ahead and stopped by Bass Pro just to, get that out of my system. If y'all haven't already, go ahead and follow and subscribe to my newest channel, Rogue Wildin'. It's basically for fishing and gun content, basically. But like I said, I just finished there, so now I'm gonna go ahead and head over to the car meet. And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the Rogue Vet channel, and if you like the other one, go ahead and do that the same. Let's go ahead and hit it up though, guys. Looks like it's gonna be a scorcher hot day here in San Antonio. So I brought out my fishing apparel. So I'm covered by the sun and I'm minimizing sunburns and whatnot, so. All right, guys, immediately out the box, got the Rolls, got the Lambo, Ferrari, McLaren over here. Oh man, that 765 LT. Love the color on that. Got another nice lineup. Porsche lineup on this side. As you can see, I'm just kind of walking and we can see all the Porsches. The GT3 RS, and we got the bad boy. Lime green GT3 RS.
It's a crazy ass.
Like the red Huracan. Got a nice little C8 next to it. That's nice. GTR next to the Ferrari. And a clean red GT4. Couple classics. Rat Rod. Bel Air. Digging the color scheme on that Huracan. That's nice. The Porsche right next to it too. Sick. Nice, nice, nice. Some nice Benzes. Got a couple Ferraris. Nice Viper. Got the Aero, diffuser, big wing. Nice Aston Martin, McLaren 600 LT. Got the STO. I like that color, that gray. That's clean. That's nice. Oh, we found some of our people. We found some of our people right over here. Sandy, Troy. We got a couple of dual red Porsches, GT3. And a GT3 RS. Nice. Another pan. You got an Audi R8, Benz, classics. Pretty nice, pretty nice. I've seen this one. This is crazy. This is nice. This one nice too. Another Lambo. Another Huracan. I like the orange. That's nice. Like the color scheme on the Ferrari.
How are you doing?
So many Porsches here and Ferraris and all of it. It's nice. It's very nice. Sick and clean. It's the back angle. This one's really nice too. Digging the purple always. That's sick. You got the SVJ. Dang, 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 dang. Frickin' SVJ. So many Ferraris, guys. Oh, is this our homeboy? I think he's our homeboy. Right here. Oh, yep, there it is. Go follow him, guys. Go follow him. He upgraded from a C8 to a twin Turbski Lambo. It's freaking crazy. Freaking crazy. Absolutely insane. Yeah, I gotta get another shot of the front. Nice McLaren. I like the orange, that classic orange color, 720S. Some more cars over here on this side. Pretty nice, pretty nice. He's caught in 4K. He's caught in 4K. There he is. We got some vets up in here, guys. By pan. There he is again. I found our boy Peasy's car right here. Gotcha. It's a nice GTR, nice Evo right next to it. You got a nice Audi R8 dipping. Nice Beamer. Got a nice red C706, and then right next to it, Ford Lightning, SVT Lightning. Alright guys, so I pretty much got all of the footage for the ground. I'm about to put the drone up into the sky so that way we can go ahead and get the aerial shots and then call it the video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do that now. right, guys, so that's pretty much the video. I am in some shade right now because it is like 100 degrees, or it feels like 100 degrees here in San Antonio for that car show. So hope you all enjoyed it. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And until the next video, guys, I appreciate y'all. Till the next one, peace.